Last video, you made it. You are the winner, sticking it through all 5 of these videos. This is a bridge section. This is what connects that main theme to our outro. Let me just play it for you here real quick. And then it goes into our main rhythm. So let's start with the left hand. We're going to make a pattern here. And what we can do is we can play G's, play an octave with your thumb, and then bring that down to the next white note. Now we have a G7. Sounds a little bit nasty. That's the way it's meant to sound. And then we're going to grab the C and D just right above each other. And that's in the middle. Now we just play these one at a time. So a big jump, tiny step, and then a skip. That is our first left hand shape. And we've got another left hand shape. It's a B flat chord, adding an A with our pinky. For those of you that are savvy, you'll see that this is a B flat 7 chord. But if you don't, that's okay. You just need to see that structure. We've got our escalator chord with a B flat, and then add that half step below. And then to finish, we play an E flat. So altogether, sentence 1 is that G7, then our B flat 7, and then down. And now we're going to play an entire E flat chord. This is a valley chord. Black, white, black. And we hold that for a while. That's it for your left hand. The right hand, we started here on our boomerang, and we're going to just repeat that A again, and then do another boomerang, just starting on the note below. And then we're going to go B flat, C, D. That was just one note right after the other, one letter name after the other. If you can, it's nice to add the octave. This can be played down low or up high. And right before we hit that B flat, we're going to add these little grace notes, these really quick notes. And that's it for the that's it for the right hand. So let's play the right hand all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And here comes our grace notes. Fantastic. Let's pair all these together. Right hand on that A, it's that repeating right from our boomerang. Left hand in that G7 position. Left hand moves to that B flat 7 position. Right hand moves down. And then we move down as that moves up. Your right hand thumb moves out of the way so your left hand can play that same note again. And then we drop to the E flat here, come up to the G here. So all together, one more time, G7 left, A in the right. Staccato on that very last note. Third time's the charm, here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Then we come into our grace notes. We hold that for 4, hold this for 2, and then we go back to our Percy Jackson rhythm. So let's play this bridge all together. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. And then that leads right into our intro or outro. All right, now that you know the bridge, let's put it all together. We start with the intro. We play our 3 sentences, 1, 2, 3. We do our bridge, and then we play our intro, which is now an outro because we're at the end. I will play all of this and call it out as we get there. So we're going to start with the intro. 1, 2, ready, go. Now we've got sentence 1. Sentence 2. Sentence 3. And now our bridge. Our original rhythm. And then our outro. You are now an Olympian for making it through this tough song. I had a lot of fun making this. I hope you had a lot of fun playing it. I'd love to hear if there's other songs you'd like to see tutorials for. And if you want to keep seeing more content like this, please like, subscribe, comment. Let's make this visible. Thanks for playing with me today. We'll see you again real soon.